Okay guys, so another new product online today. What we've had manufactured for you guys out there that are all saying that the dechroming journey isn't quite complete without this piece. We have for only new manufactured John Cooper Works badge in black. So what we'll do now is we're going to show you, first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to mask around this tape here. I won't do it now, we'll put a time lapse on in a minute. And we're going to use a thin card. I'm going to use my driver's club, now it's redundant. So what we're going to do is we're going to mask around there, and we're going to gently get behind the adhesive there. Like I say, it's better to mask it up so obviously you're not scratching anything, but we'll show you a time lapse of that now. Right, so there you can see it's all masked up, so we're not going to mark anything. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to gently warm up the adhesive. As you can see there, just using a hairdryer. Just get that nice and warm before we start. Right, as you can see guys, just prise that off. Now I'm just going to give you a bit of a tip here, because I've made this mistake before in a different car. Always try and slice under it. When you get halfway, don't think, oh, I'm going to pull it now, because what will happen is this point here will dig into the paintwork as you pull it, so make sure you just keep on going until you get all the way through, and then obviously pull it off. You're just going to clean all this up now, get rid of all the old glue, give it a little bit of a polish like I say so it sticks well, and we'll do another time lapse of that. Right, so as you can see there on the time lapse, cleaned it with tar and glue, got all the spongy stuff on, and then obviously I polished it because obviously tar and glue remover doesn't go well with something that you're going to stick on, so make sure you get all your glue remover residue off, make sure it's nice, clean and dry. Now with all badges and stuff like that, we always warm up this bit. Don't take a lot, like I say, just give it a bit of this, just get the moisture off that. To the moment of truth, like you say, we've got them marks there. So obviously all we're going to do now is just get it bang on where it was before. As you can see, that end fits in. The John Cooper will line up across the top there, and we just need to move that a little bit over. So we'll get that bang in the middle there. And there she is. So we'll take all this off. As you see, it's just seen the installation on the rear of the R56. Now obviously the rear of this one is identical, this is an F56. So the rear is glued on just the same, so it's follow the same procedure. Now with the front one, it has two clips here and here. We've only just discovered this ourselves by taking it off. So what we've done is, again, just got the card, got it behind there, and we've basically just gone in from that end there. You can get the card just in between it there, and then basically it's just a pull. Now obviously them two have snapped the original tabs off there, so if you're unsure and you don't want to snap it and want to go back to original, then obviously don't attempt it basically. So we've got the old badge off, as you can see. I mean, we're a bit of trial and error here. Luckily there's a massive flat face there, so we've cleaned it up, we've done it, we've got his badge ready. So it's just a case of, again, this one you don't need to mask because it's got the lines already. So it's just a case of getting that lined up on either end, just so it covers that, and push it down. So there we go guys, as you can see, all fitted. We've got a bit of a polish around. You can buy these on our website, www.kilochrome.co.uk. If you've got any other questions or anything you want to ask, just give us a shout.